In the silence of the night, when the world sleeps, a night arrives that is greater than a lifetime. A night when the heavens open, mercy descends, and destinies are written.
This is the night known as Shab-e-Qadr, the night of power.
Allah Himself revealed the greatness of this night in the Quran. Imagine, worship performed in this single night equals more than 83 years of worship. Of this night began with the greatest event in human history. Blessed night, the first revelation of the Quran descended upon the heart of Prophet Muhammad.
Inside the silent cave, Jibreel appeared with the command,
Iqra, read. That moment changed the course of human history forever.
According to the Quran, on this night thousands of angels descend to the earth by the command of Allah.
Bring peace, mercy, and blessings until the break of dawn.
Prophet Muhammad advised Muslims to search for this night in the last 10 nights of Ramadan, especially the odd nights.
recite the Quran, seek forgiveness, repent sincerely, and ask Allah for guidance.
Taught a powerful dua for this night to seek forgiveness and draw closer to Allah.
Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu inni.
And when dawn arrives, Laylatul Qadr ends.
Perhaps tonight, someone's sins will be forgiven.
Someone's destiny will change forever.
The question is,
will it be you? Power, the mercy, and the miracle of Laylatul Qadr, the night better than 1,000 months.